Sigara Technological College's Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Irvin G. Tumbalo, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Erica May C. Ramirez, Deputy Corps Commander. Cadet Major Katrina Paula C. Navales, Adjutant. Cadet Major Carlos Cervantes, Intelligence. Cadet Major Austin Saldo, Operation. Cadet Major Jeremy Bufete, Sublime. Major Leader Channeline B. Magistrado. Band Leader Riley Ernest B. Santa Cruz. Company Commander Cadet Major Prince Elijah Entradan, Company XO. Cadet Major Anthony Barbosa, Gidon Beller. Cadet Major Angelo P. Biado. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Major Mark Jan A. Mora. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian A. Brillo. CAP Facilitator Colonel Harold B. Armado, Philippine Air Force DAC Police Officer. Land Advisor Coordinator Jenny Blende. Major Trainer Roger O. Mirandilla. Land Master Trainer Miguel Cernande and Marvin Cernande. Entry number 58, Segura Technological Colleges, Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Thank you. Entry number 58, Segura Technological Colleges from Iriga City. Next entry,